In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and run a new report in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure you're already inside the app where your reporting tools are available. Once you're there, look at the navigation bar in the current app interface and select the Reports tab. This is the main area where you can access existing reports and create new ones, so it's the right place to begin if you want to build something from scratch. After opening the Reports section, find the New Report button and click it. This action opens the report creation workflow, where you'll begin defining what kind of data you want to analyze. If you're working in a shared environment with lots of reporting options, take a second to confirm that you're creating the correct report before moving on. Next, choose your primary target category, data schema, or layout from the directory menu. This selection is important because it determines the overall structure of the report and controls which fields and metrics will be available later. Once you've selected the option that matches the data you want to review, click Start Report. This loads the report builder and prepares the workspace for customization. Now it's time to decide what information you want to include. In the report builder, go to the Columns Editing side drawer. Here you can search for the field data values you want to see in the report. As you add columns, think about what will make the results most useful and easy to read. For example, you may want to include identifying fields first, followed by performance metrics or status-related values. Searching within the side drawer can save time, especially when there are many available fields. Once you've added the columns you need, review your setup to make sure the report includes the right data points. A quick check at this stage can help you avoid rerunning the report later just to make small adjustments. When everything looks good, click Save and Run. This will save your report configuration and generate the output so you can review your formatted data matrix, table, metrics, or results sheet. Depending on the amount of data, it may take a moment to load, so give it a few seconds if needed. After the report appears, you can review the results and confirm that the layout and data